Hi students, today we are going to see about some application areas of fintech, financial technology. One such application area is insurance technology. It is also shortly called as InsurTech, where we are going to apply for insurance in the digitized form through the digital apps. So this will make our life easier, so that is we can go for claims within a shorter duration. So here the digital insurance is actually enabled by means of using the apps. So and automated claim processing can be done by means of using the AI. So the claim actually which are going to make for the insurance, so that will be processed through the AI and the approval will be given within minutes if it is going to be a genuine one. So this is actually a AI based insurance service. One such example is the Lemonade app, where AI is implemented for enabling the insurance services to apply for it. So what are the areas for which they are giving insurance is actually for homes, pets, etc. So here the claim is actually settled within minutes because AI comes into process. Next such application of fintech is blockchain and cryptocurrencies. So because of the emerging technology of blockchain, where the data is actually stored in a decentralized form instead of a centralized one, the data or the transaction data can be split into different blocks and it is actually stored in different servers or different systems. That is actually happening in the blockchain, and because of which the cryptocurrency transaction is a secure one. So cryptocurrencies have different forms. So one such form of cryptocurrencies is Bitcoin. So here for example we can take the app Ripple. So here the blockchain based international payment is done, and also because of this kind of blockchain, it is actually a secured one, and actually it is very faster and cheaper when it is comes for a country to country transfers. Also here in cryptocurrencies, cryptography is also being implemented. Next such kind of application is regulatory technology, that is shortly called as RegTech. So this is used for the compliance of the users of banks. For example, the bank is actually using the KYC, know your customer. So this know your customer can be automated by means of using the RegTech apps. So that is know your customer means actually a customer has to be known by the banks. What is his credibility, what is his trustworthiness. So that is actually enabled by means of getting their Aadhaar card and also their PAN cards. So that's why there is an automated KYC which is collecting the Aadhaar card, PAN cards of the bank users, because of which fraud detection can be made, can be detected very easily. The frauds can be detected very easily because such kind of accounts is held by these kind of this person. So it is actually linked. So any fraudulent transactions or any fraud occurring in these kind of transactions can be detected. One such example of RegTech app is Trulio. So where this Trulio app actually digitally verifies the digital identity of the persons. So digital identity verification is actually done in this app, and when a person is actually digitally verified, digital identity verification is done in this app, then these users are actually eligible to open a bank account, and hence the bank can have a link with this kind of app to have these kind of automated KYC, and this makes the banks to comply with regulations that is put forward by RBI. So to conclude, fintech is actually transforming the financial services into a improved, efficient and easily accessible with a good customer experience. And because of the continuous innovation which is actually driven by AI and the blockchain, actually secure transactions can be enabled in financial services. Thank you.